A butterfly lands on your hand. You smile. A cockroach lands on your hand. You scream. Same legs, same exoskeleton, same antennae, same biological category. So why does one feel like a gift and the other feel like an attack? It's not aesthetics, it's not culture, it's an immune system response. And it's the same system deciding which faces you find beautiful and which ones quietly disgust you. To see why, you have to look at what your brain is actually doing every time it meets a face. Right now, you think you have taste. You think when you find someone attractive, you're noticing something about them, a jawline, a symmetry, something you like. You're not noticing, you're scanning. Every face you see is being run through an algorithm older than language, older than civilization, older than your species. The algorithm has one job: detect disease. It's called the behavioral immune system. Psychologist Mark Schaller named it in 2003. The idea is simple, and once you see it, you can't unsee it. Your body has two immune systems. The biological one fights pathogens after they get in. The behavioral one stops them from getting in at all, and it works through one emotion: disgust. Disgust is not a feeling. Disgust is a security guard. It runs in the background, scanning every surface, every smell, every face, looking for one thing: signs of infection. When the guard sees rotten meat, it pulls you back. When it smells decay, it makes you gag. When it sees a face, it reads as diseased. It does something stranger. It calls that face ugly. Brain scans confirm it. The same region that lights up when you see vomit, the anterior insula, lights up when you see faces rated as unattractive. The neuroscience is not subtle. The brain treats ugly the way it treats infection, the same circuit, the same alarm. Which means beauty is not what you think it is. Beauty is not the presence of something pleasant. Beauty is the absence of a disgust signal. When you look at a face and feel nothing, no recoil, no wrong note, your brain reports back: safe, clean, no pathogens detected, and you call that feeling beautiful. You think you're being moved? You're being scanned and cleared. Now the question becomes simple. What is the algorithm actually looking for? Three things. They are the same three things in every culture, every era, every continent: symmetry, averageness, clear skin. Your brain treats symmetry as proof of stable development. Building a face is hard. Two halves have to grow in lockstep across 9 months. Genetic mistakes break that lockstep. Infection breaks that lockstep. Toxins, parasites, malnutrition all break that lockstep. Asymmetry is the receipt. A symmetrical face is a face that survived without damage. A 2017 study tracked men's hepatitis B antibody response after vaccination. The men with stronger immune responses had faces rated as more attractive. The link is not perfect. The effect sizes vary across studies, but the signal is there, and it is consistent. Symmetry is not random. Symmetry is a health certificate written in bone and skin. Averageness is the second thing. Mathematically averaged faces, the kind built by blending hundreds of real faces into one, are rated as more attractive than almost any individual face in the set. This is not aesthetic preference, this is genetic logic. Average means heterozygous. Heterozygous means a deeper genetic library. A deeper library means more resistance to more pathogens. Your brain does not know this consciously, it reacts to it anyway. The third thing is skin. Clear skin signals one thing above everything else: no active infection. Acne, lesions, discoloration, asymmetry of pigment, your brain flags all of it as pathogen risk. Smooth skin is not vanity. Smooth skin is a green light from your immune system to someone else's. If this sounds like cold biology, here's the part that breaks people. 6-month-old infants prefer attractive faces. Newborns under 3 days old prefer attractive faces. Before culture, before language, before media, before they could have learned what a face is supposed to look like. Judith Langlois ran the original studies in the late 1980s. The result has been replicated across decades and across cultures. If this is the kind of thinking you want more of, make sure you're subscribed. There's a lot more coming. which brings us to the part that changes how you see your own reactions. Disgust is not a fixed setting. The volume goes up and down depending on how vulnerable your immune system is. When the body is weaker, the security guard works harder. The clearest evidence comes from pregnancy. Daniel Fessler ran a survey of nearly 500 pregnant women in 2005. The first trimester is the most immunologically suppressed period in a woman's adult life. The mother's immune system has to dial itself down so it doesn't attack the fetus. That trade-off creates a window of vulnerability. In that exact window, disgust sensitivity spikes. First trimester women rate the same images, the same foods, the same faces as significantly more disgusting than women later in pregnancy. The behavioral immune system gets louder when the biological one gets quieter. It is compensation. The body protects itself by making the world look more dangerous. Read that again. The world does not get more dangerous. The brain just turns up the volume on what was already there. Which means the face you find unattractive on a bad day is not less attractive than yesterday. Your threat detection just got louder. Your fear of getting sick is editing your reaction to other humans in real time without telling you. You think you have a type. You don't have a type. You have an immune system, and it has preferences. Now the uncomfortable part. The software has been hijacked. For 200,000 years, the algorithm did honest work. It looked at faces, read pathogen risk, made a judgment. The signal was real because the cues were real. Acne meant infection. Asymmetry meant developmental stress. Pale, blotchy skin meant illness. That world is gone. Modern beauty technology is not making people more beautiful. It is making them appear more immunologically clean. Filters smooth skin to erase parasite cues. Symmetry tools nudge faces toward developmental perfection that no human ever achieved without code. Filler removes asymmetry. Ozempic erases the asymmetric softness of weight. Every tool aimed at modern beauty is aimed at one place. The pathogen detection algorithm in someone else's brain. Dating apps are the cleanest example. You're not browsing for romance. You are running thousands of pathogen scans per hour on faces optimized to pass them. The algorithm does not know it is being lied to. It clears the face, it marks them as safe, you feel attraction, you swipe right. Your Stone Age brain just got tricked by an iPhone filter. This is not a moral story. There is no villain here. There is just a very old system meeting a very new environment and breaking in ways no one designed. But it changes what you can do with your own reactions. When you call someone beautiful, you are not making an aesthetic judgment. You're getting a clean read from a security system that does not know it is the year you live in. When you call someone ugly, you are running ancient threat software on a modern human who is almost certainly not contagious. Knowing the algorithm exists does not turn it off. The reaction will still happen. You will still feel the pull, and you will still feel the recoil. That is not something willpower fixes. The system is older than willpower. But the meaning of the reaction changes. The next time you find someone breathtaking, notice that what you are feeling is not love and not taste. It is the silence of an alarm that did not fire. The next time you find someone repellent, notice that you are not seeing them. You are seeing the output of a circuit that thinks it is keeping you alive. Your sense of beauty is not yours. It is 200,000 years old, and it does not know your name. There is another system running underneath you that decides things you think you decide. We will get to that one next. Until then, think sharper, know faster.